Hello wonderful people, my name is Santiago, and today I'm going to show you guys how to submit an assignment within Canvas. So, first things first, from the dashboard, go to the course that you're going to submit an assignment for. Once inside the course, go over to the Assignments tab. From here, click on the assignment you're trying to submit. Now there are a few parts to this screen. First one is the attempts and in progress. All this means is that you have not submitted the assignment yet, and the circle will fill as you go through the steps of submission. Now there are multiple ways to submit an assignment. First one's text, where, as you'd come to expect, you just type a phrase into the text box and submit it. We also have web URL, where you put in the appropriate website that your professor asked for. Then we have media, where you can upload pictures and video files that are requested from the professor. Upload, which can include pictures and videos, along with any other sort of file that's requested. And there's also studio submissions, however that's covered in another video, and I will link it in the description. Now, once you know how to submit, for me I'm going to go to the text. I'm going to submit the assignment. And as you can see, the circle filled up more. The last and final step to get a full green circle is not on your part. It's completely in the hands of the professor and requires no input from you beyond this point. After you submit, you can also add a comment if there are any issues or glitches or what you think would be appropriate for the professor to know. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.